Guys, welcome to Tim Reviews Everything and welcome to 1 year updates. Guys, this is 1 year of, well, for this one, it's 1 year of actually having the product, but usually, guys, this is 1 year after doing the review. But this one, I had these boards for 1 year. I told you DIY Pete was my first YouTuber review. And guys, we've been using these boards and occasionally having a kid walk on them. I don't know why kids feel like they're obligated to walk on cornhole boards, but they're holding up just fine. They have been in the rain multiple times, and the coat that I have on there is just fine. Everything is just working perfectly with those cornhole boards. We use them all the time. Love them. DIY Pete. If you guys have not seen that video, links in the description below. So yeah, make your own cornhole boards. Don't buy them. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have a good one.